This video will show you how to separate and install your drawer slides. First, you'll need to extract each runner from its mount and cage. Fully extend the slide and push up on the lock lever. Grab the runner and pull it out from the mount and cage. Set the runner aside for now. The mount and cage pieces fasten to the inner upright cabinet panels. Extend the slide and fasten the screws into the proper holes as indicated in your assembly instructions. Fully open the slide and install the screw closest to the slide end. Once in place, you can adjust the slide position to insert the remaining screws. Repeat for the other side panel. The runners fasten to the sides of your drawer as indicated in the assembly instructions. Once fully assembled and with the runners attached, simply slide the drawer into the two slides mounted inside the cabinet.